In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to run the image tracer plugin and import the result. We're going to keep this simple and clear. By the end, you'll know exactly how to locate the image tracer tool, run it, and bring its output into your current project. Image tracer is great for converting pixel-based images into clean, scalable graphics, or for extracting crisp outlines from photos and logos. If you've ever wanted smoother lines and easier editing, this is the tool to reach for. Start by clicking the action icon. Depending on your interface, this might look like a lightning bolt, a wand, or a plus symbol. You'll usually find it near the top toolbar or along the right-hand panel. Clicking it opens the action panel, where you can quickly access tools, automations, and extensions. In the action panel, use the search field and type image tracer. This narrows the results right away. Searching first is helpful because many workspaces have a lot of tools installed, and typing the exact name gets you straight to what you need without scrolling. Next, click on the Plugins and Widgets section. This view filters your results to extensions that can be launched directly from the panel. If Image Tracer is available in your environment, it will appear here with its name and icon. If you see multiple items with similar names, choose the one labeled Image Tracer. Click on Image Tracer to open its details, and then click Run. This launches the plugin so it can process your image. Keep in mind that larger or more detailed images may take longer to trace, and the first launch can be slightly slower as resources load. If your app shows a progress indicator, let it complete before interacting with other panels. After that, import on this. In other words, once the tracing finishes, bring the generated result into your current project or canvas. You'll typically see an option to import or place the traced output directly where you're working. Choose your project or current document as the destination, so the new vector or outlined asset appears right alongside your existing content. If you notice the imported item is large or small, that's normal. Vectors scale cleanly, so adjust the size to fit your layout. You can also reposition it to line up with other elements. That's the entire flow. Click the action icon, search for Image Tracer, open Plugins and Widgets, select Image Tracer, run it, and then import the result into this project. If you found this helpful, follow the same process anytime you need cleaner, scalable graphics from a bitmap